Hi, James. Guess where Auntie Vicky's at? I'm at the train station, James. Remember? At the train station. I think the train is coming. I think Thomas or James is coming, James. Are you ready? Look at the light down there, James. Is that Thomas coming? Or is that James? James? There's the train, James. Look, James. Look, it's coming. It's the train. Wow, look at that, James. Auntie Vicky's gonna get on the train now. Bye.